हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और मेरे चैनल का नाम है गेट गॉर्जियस। इफ़ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, सो प्लीज़ क्लिक सब्सक्राइब बटन and press the bell icon for my latest update. In this video I'm going to give a review on 3-in-1 kitchen stands daily use. First of all, talk about its packaging. It comes in this cardboard like packaging. Product is nicely covered in this plastic wrap. Actual product is this product keep your sink organized with this tidy sink caddy from Sahib Bhai, and this product is made of plastic, and this provides you a ample space for storage. This caddy provides ample space for storing a bottle of dishwashing liquid and a brush. A reservoir beneath the unit collects any drained water, keeping everything clean and tidy. Product provides an integrated rail which provides hanging and drying space for damp dishcloths and has a draining plate within the base of this unit. Draining plate within the base of the unit for wet sponges. The entire unit is dismantled and is dishwasher safe. And you can dismantle the entire stand for effective cleaning at regular periods. Its retail price is 225 rupees. This is very useful kitchen utensil. It makes life easier. I use it to hold one bottle, two brushes or a scrub and towel. My kitchen has got lovely space saving organizer. It can be used in the kitchen and bathroom for sponge, toothbrush, soap, towel, clothes, etc. It is very good and anyone can go for it. The product is very good. I purchased this product from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. Amazon service and delivery is on time and very good. I highly suggest and recommend this product. With this stand, you can beautify your kitchen sink area with this unique stand and say goodbye to clutter. I hope you like this video, so please let me know in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel for more updates and new videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.